friends, welcome to Kate's Kingdom. My name is Kate and today we're visiting Toy Story Land. So we're here in Orlando for like 36 hours. It is pouring rain. Well, it has finally kind of started to stop, but it was pouring rain. We were out in the parking lot just under an umbrella for a while. But now we're here and we're gonna go visit Toy Story Land and it's gonna be great. And I'm excited. This is the old Pixar entrance. And now we're making a right and going right into Toy Story Land. Excuse me, sir, that is a one finger point. Where are we? This is cool. Wow, this is so cool. So I'm here with Nate, Teddy, and Cece. These are our friends. Oh, look. So cool. This place is so cool. Hey, look, it's a Pixar ball. Where? It's a ball, not a wall.
I mean, like, is it a wall? Like,
I'm appalled that you can't tell the difference between a ball and a wall. There's like hashtag sponsored. Thank you so much. There you go. I got the grilled cheese, the potato barrels, and this like raspberry thing. That looks super good. So we'll see how it is. First up, what is it?
Tachos. Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the turkey sandwich and the soup, yeah?
Tomato, basil.
It looks really good. And then what did you get?
The beef brisket.
Ooh, that looks really good too. It all
was
looks
that?
good.
Follow me on Instagram.
Spoiler, that was not great. I did not like that. But now we're gonna try this. Review, this is amazing. I like this a lot better than the grilled cheese. This is actually pretty solid. But overall, could have been better, but like at least had some unique options. So 6 out of 10. So we are in line for Alien Swirling Saucers. Are we excited?
Yes.
Woo! You ready? You ready?
Oh my god, I'm sorry. I will kiss your feet, but...
Yeah, so we're going on Alien Swirling Saucers. I'm really excited. We got fast passes, which was super great. And also, when you do the acronym, it's really great.
Ass.
Music is great. This song is too sad. I don't understand. You guys ready to swirl? You ready?
Remain your seatbelt fastened, your hands, arms, feet, legs, claws, and antennae inside your pockets.
I just want you to bleep me out one time.
Okay.
I can't say then you just bleep it out. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do. Just make it a little edgy. Make the vlog a little more edgy. Just a little bit. See, we're about to write Alien Swirling Saucers. You know what that stands for? That stands for ass.
Wait, I'm so confused. Yay! Thoughts?
Alright.
That was fun! So we're waiting for our bus to arrive. So while we're doing that, we're using the Fuji app.
Hugie, H-U-J-I.
Hashtag not sponsored, but please sponsor us so we can take more Fuji photos. So it is the next day. It was pouring so bad we just kind of left and kind of went to bed. But today we decided to go on the Slinky Dog Dash. Oh my god, PTSD. Elmer's Blue. Shout out Emeryville.
Very just said he wasn't going. He was like.
So it was a lot of fun. I think this is where I'm going to end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you'd love to hit that subscribe button. And I'll talk to you all super duper soon. Thank you so much. Question of the day. What is your favorite Toy Story character? I think mine is Barbie. Barbie's like great. I love her. Flight attendant Barbie, everything. All right, thanks so much, friends. Bye.